Alright guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Sidako and this is Sidako Tech Club. This channel always want to provide with to you back-to-back content concerning how to make money online. Understand? It is a signature of helping subscribers to make money online. So without much ado, without wasting time, let's delve into it. Today we are going to look at a website we call surveytime.io. I said the website is what? Surveytime.io. We are going to make a quick money out of this particular website. All that you need to do is that every survey that you perform, you get $1 straight up into your PayPal account. You understand? If you know you don't have a PayPal account, just check in the video up there. You'll be able to get a video of one of my videos talking about how you'll be able to sign up for your PayPal account anywhere in the world. Just check up there, you will see that video. All right guys, I'll be back for more. Okay, welcome back guys. So this website, as I said, is called surveytime.io. After signing up and you perform your survey, you get $1 straight into your PayPal account. You understand? So what do we need to do before we sign up on the website? I just want to show you something. These are all notifications from my email, which I got from Survey. You understand? So they will send you an email notification about any particular survey that comes. So let's win this $1. You understand? So when you perform this survey, you get $1 into your PayPal account. There are countless of them that I receive every day. You understand? So I've been doing this since 2020. You understand? So it works. And then if you check on their website, you just want to sign up. So guys, let's follow how you'll be able to sign up. To be able to sign up on Surveytime, you need to have either a Google account or a Facebook account, or you can use sign up with email, and then you enter your email address here, you enter your password, and then you go to what? I agree, and then you tap on sign in to be able to sign into your account. I have the account, so I'm just going to sign in for you to see how it is. So I'll sign in with my account, then we'll have a fair idea of what we are doing. Alright, so I've signed into the account. It says welcome back. Sometimes if there are no offers for you, they'll write it for you. So guys, just check the video on how some of the surveys are done. You just be asked series of questions, and the moment you answer these questions, you get $1 into your PayPal account straight. You understand? You don't need to hassle, you don't need to do anything difficult. You just have to answer certain questions on your mobile device or your laptop, and then you get paid into your PayPal account. So guys, make sure you check the website link in the description, and then the moment you get your $1, make sure you comment another comment section. Tell me you got your $1. Hey Sidako, I got my $1, and then I will all be excited together. If you sign up with this account, time to time they will send you a survey. You try them, and then anytime you finish a particular survey, you get $1 into your PayPal account. So I just want to help you earn some cool cash. You understand? Something that you can use to buy something, to purchase something for yourself. So that is what Sidako Tech Lab has got to do for you. So guys, make sure you check this website out. I'll be bringing a lot of items concerning how to make money online. So check this video. If you like this video, give it a like, comment another comment section, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell, baby. That is where you get all my videos when I upload them. Thank you for watching, and see you next episode. I'm out.